Have you ever woken up in the morning but still feel tired, even though you've gotten about 7 hours of sleep? Or maybe you've tried going to bed earlier, but it still takes hours to fall asleep. As it turns out, sleep problems are not only related to the length of sleep time, but also greatly influenced by what is consumed before bed. Without realizing it, the food consumed can actually keep the brain active when the body should be resting. Sleep is not just a passive activity where the body stops moving, but sleep is a process of physical and mental recovery. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hormones and processes, and stores memories. But all these processes will not run optimally if the quality of sleep is poor. One of the main factors that affect sleep quality is food intake. Foods that are high in sugar, saturated fat, or caffeine can disrupt the nervous system and keep a person awake, even when the body's tired. Many people focus too much on sleep duration, even though the ideal sleep time for adults is around 7 to 9 hours. However, if the quality of sleep is low, such as waking up frequently, having nightmares, or feeling restless, then the duration becomes meaningless. Quality sleep is characterized by deep sleep, minimal disturbances, and waking up with a fresh body and clear mind. To get better quality sleep, it is also important to maintain a calm night routine. Exposure to blue light from screens, eating too late at night, or unmanaged stress can all disrupt circadian rhythms. Circadian is the body's biological clock that regulates sleep and wake cycles. It's not just the time of night that needs to be considered, but also how you prepare your body to be ready for rest. So, if you've been feeling like your sleep hasn't really been refreshing lately, maybe it's time to start paying attention to what you eat before bed. Something as seemingly trivial as a nighttime snack can have a considerable impact on sleep quality and overall quality of life. 1. Almonds. Almonds aren't just a healthy nut, they play an important role in helping the body achieve deeper, quality sleep. Almonds are high in magnesium, and magnesium is known as a natural calming mineral. It helps lower levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that often keeps the mind active at night, even when the body is tired. In addition, almonds also contain melatonin, the main hormone that regulates circadian rhythms, or the body's biological clock. Melatonin signals the brain that it's time to sleep. This is why eating almonds a few hours before bed can help the body go into rest mode more naturally. Not only that, almonds contain calcium, healthy fats, and plant-based proteins that make the body feel full without feeling heavy. The light protein in almonds helps prevent midnight hunger pangs, which can wake you up and disrupt your sleep cycle. However, too many almonds can cause indigestion due to their high fiber content. For some people, overconsumption can cause bloating or a feeling of fullness. Ideally, consuming about 10 to 12 almonds before bed is enough to bring benefits. Almonds also support heart health, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and help control blood sugar levels. So, not only do almonds help you sleep better, but they also help you maintain your overall health. 2. Bananas. Bananas are a very simple fruit that contains a powerful combination of nutrients to support sleep. In one banana, you get magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6, and tryptophan, all important ingredients in the production of serotonin and melatonin. Potassium and magnesium help calm the muscular and nervous systems. They play a role in reducing muscle tension, preventing night cramps, and stabilizing heart rate. With a more relaxed body, you will find it easier to enter the deep sleep phase. Tryptophan and vitamin B6 work in the brain to produce serotonin, which creates a sense of well-being and reduces anxiety. From serotonin, the body will naturally produce melatonin, a hormone that triggers drowsiness and keeps you sleeping through the night. If you're deficient in any of these nutrients, there can be disturbances such as insomnia, mood swings, or even mild anxiety disorders. But don't overdo it either. Bananas still contain natural sugars. Eating one banana before bed is enough. Apart from supporting sleep, bananas also help keep blood pressure stable, strengthen the digestive system, and provide a steady source of energy in the morning. 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is often thought of as a morning food, but it's actually very good for nighttime consumption to improve sleep. Oatmeal contains complex carbohydrates that encourage the release of small amounts of insulin. enough to help tryptophan cross into the brain and turn into serotonin. Serotonin is not only the happiness hormone, but also the raw material for melatonin production. So, the more serotonin that is produced towards the evening, the more likely it is that the body will produce enough melatonin to promote restful sleep. In addition, oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. This is important because fluctuating blood sugar levels can wake you up in the middle of the night. With stable blood sugar levels, you can sleep deeper without interruption. However, it's important to choose plain oatmeal without added sugar or artificial flavors. Some instant products are often high in sugar and can actually keep you awake. Oatmeal also contains B vitamins, especially B1 and B6, which help the nervous system and support natural relaxation. And don't forget, the high fiber in oatmeal is also very good for the digestive system and keeps you fuller for longer. Fourth, fatty fish. Fatty fish is the best natural source of omega-3 and vitamin D, two nutrients that play a big role in mood and sleep regulation. Omega-3s, especially DHA, help regulate serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain. Serotonin, as we know, is key to creating a sense of relaxation and happiness, ideal conditions for sleep. Vitamin D plays an important role in regulating circadian rhythms, which control when the body feels sleepy and when to wake up. Many people who are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who are rarely exposed to sunlight, experience insomnia or shallow sleep. Eating fatty fish can help with this naturally. Research shows that people who regularly eat fatty fish have better sleep duration and quality than those who do not. Even children who were given omega-3 supplements showed a decrease in sleep disturbances. But pay attention to the source and frequency, as some fish like yellowfin tuna or swordfish can be high in mercury. For maximum benefit and minimal risk, consume 2 to 3 times a week with a variety of fish types. Apart from sleep, the benefits of fatty fish are extensive, such as maintaining brain health, preventing heart disease, and improving memory. So, it turns out that the quality of sleep is not only determined by a soft mattress or the lights being turned off, but also by little things that we often take for granted, like what we eat before bed. The right food can help your brain relax, your body relax, and ultimately, your sleep. If you feel that your sleep is not optimal, try to start from simple things, starting from improving your dinner pattern, organizing your bedtime routine, and giving your body a chance to rest properly. Because sleep isn't just about rest, it's the foundation for your mental health, productivity, and mood every day. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.